Embark on a journey of curiosity with us. What fascinating questions are we exploring today?
Yes, you can upgrade the hard drive in a PS4 for better performance. To do this, you'll need a compatible 2.5-inch SATA drive or an SSD for faster load times. Back up your data first, then unscrew the PS4 cover, remove the old hard drive, and replace it with the new one. Reinstall the PS4 system software and restore your backed up data. This upgrade can notably improve game load times and overall system responsiveness.
We've quenched today's curiosity, but there's always more to learn. Keep the curiosity alive by subscribing and joining us for our next adventure.